So let me get my bag here. The gift bag I didn't receive. So I need to ask the same here. Oh yeah. Hello, welcome back. Actually, I didn't receive any gift bag. I saw there's someone.
Just arrived.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So yeah, finally I got my gift bag here. I don't know what is inside it. Can you see something? What is inside here? Yeah, I see it. There is another bag and there is a paper. I don't know what is that. We can check it later. Gift bag from CIMB. Oh, you see? You see? CIMB. Bag. So, what can I eat? I don't know. Lunch. Let's go back. So yeah, this is the bag I just got. Oh, I think I can show you the bag now. What is inside it? Okay, let's open it. Oh, this is my fourth order. This is a CIMB bank. I don't know what it is. Safeguard your family future and Malaysian citizenship. I think this is a insurance like this. Insurance maybe. I'm not gonna check it. What is this? CIMB. Follow our Instagram for their Instagram. CIMB. And there is another bag. I don't know. What is this? You see? Beauty moves you. Warda. Warda is a company, I think. Beauty moves you. So I don't know what is this inside. It's already open. Oh, check it. Oh, this is another bag. What is it? Nice. So let's check what is inside. Inside is a paper. Program service, the Award Academy. We offer counseling program, consultation and training, certification program, course and workshop. I don't know, there is something for work experience or something like this. I don't know, I have no idea about it. There is two other things. This is one. Color fit, ultra lighting, matte lipstick. Oh, this is lipstick. Okay, let's open it and check. Lipstick for men or women, I don't know. So, okay, finally, we are successful to open it. Wow, this is the lipstick. Oh no, this is for female. I thought this. Oh, at least lip gel. I use lip gel. I could use this, but this is for female. So this is not for me. So I can pass this to another woman, maybe. What is? There is something else also. Wow. What is this? Core referring door. Post and refine code at once go all dark. What is this? Bezel, not very good. I have no idea what is this. Okay, let's open this also. Check. This is the product. What is this? Anyone can tell me? So that I can know. This is for drinking or what? I don't know. Let's open this one also. So this is closed. There is only one leaking hole. So I have no idea what is this. Core referring torn What's the tune? I need to check on. Let me check it. So finally, what I saw, it's not. It's like something facial or something like this. I'm not sure. Everything written in Malayo language, which is Malaysian language. So I think this is only for female because that lipstick is all for female. So this is also maybe not for me. So however, let me check if I get someone, I can pass this to someone else, no problem. So yeah, this is the item. Is there anything else? Wow. There is a beautiful pen also, you see? It's made by paper, you can see? Wow. Made by paper. Alright. Oh, black color. See? Black color. So yeah, it's good. Made by paper. Wow. CIMB. You see? CIMB Islamic. It's really nice pen. Made by paper. Wow. Yeah. So I think I like this pen. And I'm using CIMB Bank. So it's really good. And I got the same pen. I can keep this with me. Like this. Wow. I already have another pen in my bag. No, I can take it in my pocket. So let's put inside the bag and we can go to the conference hall again. I don't need those papers, but yeah, that's it. Let's put inside the bag. And let me hope I can pass this bag. Yeah, thank you. Take it in my pocket.